Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need help to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add a countdown timer for your WordPress website. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. Click on add new plugin. Search here with Kadence. This is the plugin. Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. Install now. Activate this plugin. This plugin already installed and activated. I am going to my all post section. Click on edit this post. I want to add countdown before table of content. Here I want to add countdown timer. So I am giving enter. After that, clicking on this plus icon. Add block. Then search with countdown. This is the countdown timer. Which one is coming from Kadence block? Select this countdown. It's automatically started here. 2 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes, 58 seconds. If you wish, you can make it 3 days, 5 days as per your expectation. You can change this timer. How you can do this? First of all, click on this block. After that, you have to go to the right side. And in the right side, you should select this block. After selecting the block, first option is countdown type. By default, it's date. So it's perfect. Below, if I come to the calendar option, there you have to indicate this countdown when will finish. Today is 15 December. By default, they said it will finish 17 December. But if you wish you want to finish it 20 December, then select it 20 December. Then here it's automatically changed 5 days. And if you want to customize hours also, then you can change the time from here. After that, if I come to the next option, action on expire, that time timer will be display 0. Come to the next option, countdown layout. If I click on this arrow icon, first option is countdown alignment. Right now by default it's on align left. If I want to make it align center, then it will be center. And next option is countdown layout. Right now it's on block layout. If I wish, I can make it inline layout. Then day, hours, minute, everything will be inline. But block layout is standard. I am again selecting the block layout. And next option is enable divider. So if I enable the divider, then there a divider getting enabled. Come to the next, enable 00 number in format. Right now it's only 4. If I enable this option, it will be 04. Countdown pre-text. It means before countdown, here which text you want to display. If you want to display any text here, you should write it this section. So if I write countdown start, and next option is countdown post text. It means it will display below countdown. So if I write so this text is going to display below countdown. Now come to the next option, display days unit. By default it's enabled. If I disable it, then it will not display how many days, it will display hours. And if you disable hours also, then it will display with minute, how many minutes remain. After that, if you disable minute also, then it will display how many seconds remain. But I think we should display minute, hours, days, everything we should display. That would be more easy to understand. After that, days level. By default, it's showing days. But if you don't like it, if you want to write anything else, then you should input it here. For example, remaining days. So here it's showing remaining days. As same, if you wish, you can write it here remaining hours or anything else, whatever you want to write. Next, minute and second, all are same. You can customize it. I already explained everything from the general settings. Now come to the style settings. I'm clicking on style. After that, it's saying background color. If you wish, you can add a background color here. As an example, I am adding a background color by clicking here. I am giving this color. You see, all of the things background color changed. If you don't like this color, you want to reverse on the default system, then just click here. It will be reversed. Next, border color. If you want to give any border outside of this timer, just select border color. After that, you have to give a border width. Right now it's 0 width. That's why border is not displaying. As an example, I am giving 5 pixel top border, right border 5 pixel, bottom 5, left 5. Then it's going to under the border. Next, border radius. I want to give 10 pixel border radius, then it's giving the radius. Come to the next option, number settings. Click here. Now if you wish, you can change the number color also. So click here, give a color. You see number color is going to change. And below have line heights, font family, font weight, letter spacing. If you need to customize those things also, you can enable it from here. Even if you come to the level settings, click here, and level means these things, remaining days, hours, minutes, seconds. If you want to change the color of the label, you can change it from here. As example, I want to give red color. And if you want to change the font size of the label, just change it from here. As example, I am making it Excel size. You see it's very big right now. And if you want to change the font family, you can change it from here. I am changing the font family as a sample or example. Just this one I am selecting. You see font family changed. Font style, by default it's normal, but if I wish, I can make it italic. Letter spacing, you can change it from here. And even if you wish, you can change the color of pre-text or post-text. You can change the font size, font family, font weight, line height, letter spacing, everything you can change it from here. Now, if I come to the advanced option, click on advanced, then you can add padding, margin from here. And next option is important, container settings. It means this full container. If you want to give a background color for this full container, just select it from here, and as a sample I am giving this as a background or this. So background color is displaying here. If you wish, you can make a border for this background also, as like this one from this option. And you can add the border width, top, right, bottom, left, border radius. And next option is visibility settings. If I click here, you can hide this from the desktop or hide on the tablet, hide on the mobile. As per your expectation, you can hide this countdown timer on specific device. So everything I explained, how you can enable it for your WordPress website, how you can customize it. I hope you can easily do these same things for your website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.